Hey y'all, it's Shamanda. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I really want to deliver on a promise I made you guys that I was going to do one vlog about how much I make on YouTube. Now I'm not going to be doing my first paycheck video. But instead I'm going to show you guys my highest earning YouTube video since I started. So let's take a look right now. All right, here we are. So let's take a look. Now, let me just tell you, I don't know how to screen record. I don't know how y'all be doing all that fancy stuff. I just don't know. And I'm going to do some research, but I didn't want to wait any longer. So I'm going to film it this way. So just hang with me, okay? All right, so I think I posted this in October. Yeah, October 10, 2020. And I didn't get monetized until November. Which I think it was around my birthday, if I'm not mistaken. November 4th is my birthday. So sometime in November where I got monetized. And so of course, like there was like a whole month of all these views that I could not even get paid for. So keep that in mind, okay? And then I think the first few, I want to say November and December, you know, not really much of anything in terms of like views. I think around, I want to say probably like late December, early January maybe is when it really popped off. And I was like, wait, what? Like when I looked at the views, I was like, wait, what's happening here? Where's these, why am I getting all these views? It just came out of nowhere. So like I said, the first 2 months, there weren't a lot of views, and also that first month it was not monetized. So keep that in mind when you look at the final number when I show it to you. Also, let me just say, I do not like this video. I know it sounds crazy. I'm grateful for it because it's my highest earning video, but I don't like the way I look in it. Baby, I have had a major glow up since this video, okay? Now, I'm very transparent. I don't think I told you guys, but I was actually flying to Dallas. When I took this flight, I was flying to get my veneers. I know, right? It really sounds bad because it's like, okay, you had to take something really vain for you to go and get on your first flight. Well, I guess so. Well, it is what it is. I really wanted my veneers. And I really wanted the doctor, which I'll do a video about my veneers too soon. But I really wanted the doctor that was in Dallas to do my veneers. He is awesome. He did a great job. And so I was just like, okay, God, like, it's time because I ain't gonna, this is it. Like, I gotta make it happen. So, in this video, there's 2 different flights that I take. So, it's actually flew 4 times total. And you'll see all of it. Like, obviously, to and from the first time. And then I had to go back and get my actual veneers. Which I was expecting all that in one day, so I was kind of upset. But anyway, I'll tell you about that in the actual video. But anyway, the reason why I say it's not my favorite video is because I just don't like the way I look. To me, I just did not look cute. Back at that point, I was, I had just started weight training, I think in August, September, October. Yeah, so I was still working out, still losing that belly fat and all that, just, I had that fat face, and you know, I was going through all this treatment with my teeth, and you could tell by the way I was talking. Like, again, like if you look at it now, you'll be able to see. Maybe initially nobody paid attention to that, but I knew all of that. So, my hair was all over the place. I was sweating. I was like, I was just like, I'm not about to be sharing this video. I'm not putting this. I'm not advertising it or nothing. So that's why it is so crazy. See. Out of all the videos that took off, of course, it will be this one. Okay. Anyway. So anyway, as you can see, I have, as of today is 5:25 and it's like 6 p.m. I have over 27,564 views. I think I told you guys in a video before that I don't really care about the likes and dislikes. Well, the likes are great, obviously, right? But, you know, I think before I would have been like, oh, I got 18 dislikes. And I already feel self-conscious about the video, so just imagine that, right? But, I don't, you know, it didn't bother me. I was like, whatever, it is what it is. So, yeah. What people don't realize is that engagement is engagement. YouTube doesn't care if it's likes or dislikes. It is what it is. So, thank you. Anyway, I have over 27,000, almost 28,000 views, 341 comments. There were 10 likes on the video when I shared it initially on Facebook as well. So, and yeah. So anyway, out of what, 350 videos, it says this is the highest earning video, I believe. Yeah, it was the highest earning. Yeah, highest earning. I'm not sure if this is the, I think this is the highest view and the highest earning video. So anyway, let's get to the numbers. Okay, I don't want to hold you guys too long. I hate when people draw this type of stuff and just be like, girl, if you don't show me. All right, I'm gonna go to the video analytics. This is the back page. If you go to Creator Studio on YouTube, this is what it looks like, and this should be blocked out when I edit it. I'm gonna block this out right now until I get ready to show it to you. All right, so this is what it looks like on the back page. This is my thumbnail. Another little tidbit, my daughter, my 13-year-old daughter, she's 12. Yeah, she had turned 13 already. She was 13. No, she was 12. Wait. Oh, I just got an email. Sorry. She was 12 she was 12 when she created this. I'm losing it. She was 12 when she created this thumbnail for me. And I thought it was so interesting that my highest earning video, the thumbnail was created by my daughter. And I've been begging her since to create me thumbnails. And of course she won't. So that's that. But yeah, she created this for me, you guys. Yep. All right. As you can see, it's updating live and people are watching as we go. As far as traffic, YouTube search is like the highest way it's found, basically. So it's in my suggested videos, and let me see. Yeah. 27.6K views, watch time over 2.1 hours. It has gained me over 170 subscribers, y'all. So a lot of subscribers from this one video. All right. So without further ado, let's go to revenue. All right, so let me break this down for you guys real quick, and I'll explain this to you even more in the my first YouTube paycheck video. All right, so CPM stands for whatever, but basically that's what YouTube gets from the advertisers, like their full amount for your videos. And it's pretty much what they're saying they're willing to pay per 1,000 views to put their ads on your video. So for me right here, it's $11.23 is what these advertisers are willing to pay. Okay. Now, if this number was bigger, that'd be even better. Like you want this number to be huge. You know, I have some videos, y'all, that are like $100 and something, like $150, like seriously. And what happens is you go over to RPM, and basically that's like half. It's pretty much half of what the CPM is. And whatever your RPM is what you're going to make. So basically there's like this split between you and YouTube. And so YouTube is going to give you pretty much half of whatever they make. So my RPM for this video is $6.16. Now imagine if my RPM was higher for this video, y'all. Okay, and I think what's happening, I think the issue is that because I have anxiety disorder in the title, then it's a little bit less. Because what I've realized, which is so sad, is that mental health videos don't do as good as other videos, which suck. Because it kind of deters you from doing them, but I'm not going to let that stop me because that's what I'm here for. So yeah, as you can see, my RPM is $6.16. So basically, for every 1,000 views, I'll make $16.16. And without further ado, it's already set to sync publish. So I'm going to remove this here, and you'll see that since I published this video in October, which it didn't start earning revenue until after November, or like mid-November, whatever, I have earned $168.49 from this video. Now, I know that's not a lot of money, but from one video, that's a lot, honestly. And like I said, if this would go up more, y'all, like for real. So I hope one day that I can, I guess my goal as a YouTuber as far as financially is to create great content like this, because this is a great video. It don't look great and I don't like the way it looks, obviously. I don't like the way I look in it, I'll put it that way. But the content is great because I feel like it captures what I'm here for. I'm giving you an entertaining video. It's funny because it really is funny. Like, you get to see me super anxious and I'm on my first flight. But it's also educational because I feel like before I went on my first flight, I was looking for people. Like, I was looking on YouTube for videos of what it's like to be on your first flight. And I was like, let me add the fact that I have anxiety disorder, because I think that adds a little twist to it. So people who literally suffer with anxiety disorder, who are about to take their first flight, can have someone they can look at and say, hey, okay, what is this experience like for them? And then I also kind of give you like a real example of what it's like and what I experienced. And then I think the best thing about it is there's over 300 something comments, and people have, oh my God, like everywhere they have commented and left suggestions, whether it's like, hey, taking a Xanax before, or take some deep breaths, or sit on the pet, like near the window, or close your window, like whatever. Like, people have given so many great suggestions, and that's just really just speaks to why I'm on YouTube as a mental health professional, and just kind of giving that kind of information, but also real life examples. So I appreciate you guys who support this video, support my channel, because people are on here doing, no not to them, but people do all kind of different type of videos on YouTube that, I mean, really, just whatever. I ain't gonna do it. But meanwhile, people who really have like really, really, really important like content, we don't earn as much, right? And it's really sad. But I think when you watch this type of content, you tell YouTube, hey, like in Google, like, hey, we want more stuff like this. So keep watching this video, y'all, guys. Comment, share it. Like, oh God. I mean, I guess. No, I'm just kidding. Share it. Leave me a comment. I appreciate you guys. And I would love to see this get to 1,000. That's like a goal of mine. Like, seriously. I know it's going to happen. Yeah. And as you guys know, if you don't know, everything I earn from my YouTube channel goes to my production company to produce movies and media content to spread mental health awareness. And I'm producing my first 2 movies right now. So every time you watch, every time you like, subscribe, comment, everything, it makes a big difference in your supporting mental health awareness. All right, so thank you guys so much. I hope you like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want me to show you guys next. Once I get to 1,500 subscribers, I will show you guys my first YouTube paycheck, my actual first paycheck. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.